Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. This time we have this Toyota Sienna 2013, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance warning that appears once in a while. So let's get started. Alright guys, as you see here we have the warning light, and here in the dashboard we also have what is a notification. So to remove this warning light, what we're going to do is the following. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the ignition on the on position, and you're going to switch to trip A. We're gonna click on this toggle right here, and we are in trip A. Now we're gonna close the ignition. Now you're gonna press the toggle and you're gonna turn back the ignition, and as you can see it says reset. And that's it. Alright guys, that's it. If you like, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.